Busy, 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 where are you? Here I am, trying to get a bus. Busy, 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 where are you? Here I am, trying to get some views. Any gal me no like, me no chat to them. King Charlie, Molly, Molly. Any gal me no like, me no keep them friends. Yeah, Charlie, Molly, Molly. Right through the rocky road. King Charlie, Molly, Molly. Because them not get no views, them Bali, Bali, Bali. If anybody see Rasta for life, tell her to me call her. Yeah. She need to come over here because I want her to take notes, yes. And post it for me, yeah. So tell her, call her, because I want her to start some notes for me. So, me see one thing I go on from the other day. The first video, me did ignore it. And then me see one that one I go on. But me didn't so busy. Me never really get time really to do anything. But me put it on the back burner because foreign one love to put things on the back burner, yeah. So I just so me put it. But then this morning me get up, me not even realize the Rasta do on live, yeah. So me only see it like 18 hours after. But anyway, my plan anyway was today to come out and address this. The bees, yes. Some people call her wingless, slave wasp, big hardback woman, great tone woman, I can't remember. Yeah, but me I go down a little bit lower. Not something me do normally, but me I go down a little bit. Me I go call her Pastor Dranko. Pastor Dranko, me I go call her because me remember when we were a little bit in Jamaica as kids, me don't know how, I'm not sure, but then me know them say one of the Dranko is a pastor. And then if that Dranko come first before any of the other one, then can touch the thing, yeah. So, me I go call her, so because, as me say, that description fit her because she go on like say, she is a Christian and behave a certain way, but then she go around causing trouble on the internet, yeah, on the tube. And Ras, me want to tell you this, the reason why she come up with them things, she ain't got no, she don't see me nowhere, I type up in a nobody comment section, I don't go to nobody yard, and I don't do that kind of thing, really. The only person over by you, me might type, come over there and look and me have a laugh and put something in the comment section, but I don't go anywhere else go do that. So what she do, she take little parts of my video and put it together and make it sound like, little clips of it, I cut and paste. And that she did used to. She used to, when she come out before, she used to cut and paste everybody video. And where the dinosaur business come from, the man of England, they call her dinosaur. Yeah, I him did call her. So, but it look like so she forget. I think she might have some kind of memory loss, yeah. The man they call her dinosaur. And no, she want to use that word no. So, that I know my name, that's a fair name. So, she now, the reason why her behavior is like this, because a few things that she do on here, and as I say, I come out and I call out to certain people bad behavior. When big people are going bad, me call out them behavior and she a review, and me review the review of the review. So basically, she now come out recently on Gracie, yes, and she called Gracie a scammer. And I came out and I did a video on that, and me say that her behavior is not acceptable because you can't come out when you don't know the full information and call the person a scammer. And because I look at certain people on the internet as I would see them as young people really. And I'm thinking, you're coming out and you're making the situation worse, really, because everybody is saying Gracie wicked, she thief the woman money and them little things. And when people come on the internet and them depend on one person, I don't like it when people like to, pull down people and go at it at one person. She come out, she said, Roach in a Gracie house. I come out and I said, yeah, because basically what's going on, she and Marcia are friends. So I believe before Christmas, people were coming out and talking about Roach in a Marcia house. And I think Gracie was a part of that blogging and thing. But then she come out pan it. And I'm not saying we all can come out and talk, but the way she comes out and she go on like say she a one unbiased person, and she run out on things and she put all her personal feelings into it, she's not being unbiased. So my argument is she run out. You see the lady down at 99, for example, another example, she buy KFC for the homeless. They do another send KFC for the homeless. She run out and she have something negative to say about it. So she keep picking on things because she's part, from what I can see, she's part of that clique. If you get what I mean, Rasta. She's part of that clique. So when she comes out on the baker man too. And it was a personal attack a couple of times on him, because obviously him the call her a dinosaur, him the striker and all that. And I would come out with a vlog about it is a personal attack on the man, you know what I mean? And it's because you don't like him. So that would be my videos that I'd come out and say there's one about a cake review, and couldn't understand, she's not a baker, why she's doing a cake review, but the cake review never makes sense. So I was basically saying the cake review don't make no sense. But the thing about it is she comes out in a very nasty way. So she doesn't like it that I'm sort of reviewing what she's saying. So that is what she don't like, and she come out and I go on with herself. So I listened to the first one she come up with was the one when we come up with Gracie. Let's go back to that. We come up with Gracie and Maxine argument, and me said what me say. Yeah, I said what I said, and I'm not taking it back, because I'm saying she's making out that she's got a little platform, and if people with big platforms can't stop this and can't stop that, why is she with a little platform with no views can't tell people this and tell people that? And I'm saying you're using Gracie's name to see if you can get the plank of them for jump on board, because say a lot of plankers don't like Gracie, so you use Gracie name. A lot of people really on the internet, and I'm thinking, this what you're doing is not right. Whether you have big platform, whether the person got big platform or big platform not, it doesn't make it right for you to come out. You're a public figure to tear down a young girl, and then when Gracie respond to it, you come out and say she could have kin pupa lick and drink till she drunk. I'm thinking, how insensitive can a big person like you be? Woman, go sit yourself down. You now get no views over there. Me now call your name because me no want to bust you. So you say you now call me name, so you no want to bust me. Me no want to bust you neither. Me now call your name. Me never call your name. And what you upset about before, me put something in my community, and people kept coming over here and putting saying stuff, and I blocked them. And every time I post a video would come up, and the video would say something like video on my video I can see that somebody tried to put a comment in my comment section. So me put if you rest on your finger because me can't see me comment, and she come over here, so come put in my comment section. Or you can, or you put that, and you can't, if you can't see them, how you know say then come woman, yeah, look, attention. So she been watching my views from day one. Me I get enough view, me I pull enough views from day one, and probably didn't take long to come. But me, if you go back all the way back from when me start, I only 5 months me start, and I get enough views from day one, because a lot of my reviews are comedy, yeah, and people used to like watching it. So no bother with go on about formula, because you dep on YouTube from Wapia Kill Philip, and you can't get no views on YouTube, and you bad mind people for them views, and that me say I go on. You bad mind me for me views, and you hold it over a watch out me page. Yeah, watch out me page, and I watch out me life, yeah. Lady, go get a life. You say you go on like say you're intelligent and you got a big job. Yeah, you got big job. But everything go on social media, you see it, yeah. You don't miss nothing. So I don't know how you get time and energy, and you say you have your job and you have your money, but to me it look like say you are fight over YouTube seat upon the tube, yes. At the end of the day, woman, I don't need YouTube money or views or whatever. Me not hungry. Me start off this little thing as a little, hobby. You have to say little hobby or little fun, yeah. And I say I was trying a thing, and the thing turned out, yeah. Say something I go on with it. So now come fresh yourself, woman. Now fresh yourself with me. Me, I know nice mad if you play with, yeah. I mean, a nice mad if you play with. It's like say, I don't just sit down and talk about one person all the time. Yeah, go on like say you're important. People use your name to get views and likes and something. Nobody no know you. Nobody no know you. As the songwriter said, nobody no know you. Yeah, them no know you. Them know the tea lady and bad to bad. Them know the lore. Yeah, them no know you. You trying to be relevant. You trying to be important. Nobody no know you. So no go on like say people know you. And I won't come back and address you anyway, because you look attention, yeah. Me see you come up on the other man over so, yeah. You come up on the man, the speaking man, I think he might ignore you anyway. And you say, me see you build one other page. You can't even build the first one you have, and you build one other one. Nobody now watch you, because me hear one little talk, me go look, and me hear one talking, and voice note drop, and your name in a mix up. My name in a mix up, because I don't go nowhere. So whatever you put up over there is nothing to do. I don't speak to nobody on here. I don't go and type on nobody platform. Nobody can screenshot nothing and show say me type anything on people platform if say anything about nobody as such, yeah. So since me start up this channel, you probably, yeah, as I say, I go up on Rasta for life, yeah, and so forth. So come better than that, my love. If you want views, yeah, if you want views, go and get yourself some content, yes, because you used to cut and paste, yeah. And now yeah, I try a thing, but because it's limited what you can do, because it's limited what you can do. Try. I don't know what you're trying, to be honest. I really don't know. So don't look over here, so please. Anyway, you can't come over here. You can't type over here because you're blocked and deleted. Anyway, me don't talk and find man is out.